this is Baljit from JK. In my last video we repaired a leaking shower tub on second floor, which one was leaking through ceiling in my garage, and we had to cut this hole to fix the leak. And now it's been a couple days, and after fix the leaking I didn't see any more water leaking or anything. So now time to fix this drywall. We will fix quick and make a strong patch. Stay with me. To repair this leak, we need a drywall piece. For that one, first we're gonna measure a hole size and both sides. So actually it's 12 inch here, like I will say 13 inch, and this side is about 16 inch. So now we're gonna gathering some pieces. To fix that hole, we need a couple things. We need a scrap wood, we need a drywall screws, drywall compound. You can use either impact, and I'm going to use a drywall screw gun, and we need some drywall piece. Let's first, we measure hole length is 16 inch, and we need a more than 16 inch scrap wood piece. And I have two pieces. See this one, I got 23 inch. It will work perfect, but I have another one, if I can use that one. This one is 19 inch, so I'm gonna use that one. And then we gotta cut drywall piece according to size. So we measure 13 inch by 16 inch, but I'm gonna cut about like, if I have to make it straight, I'm gonna cut about like 13 and a half and 16 and a half. We need a drywall saw as well. Now I have a drywall piece to repair this hole, so I will put this piece top of the hole where we're gonna repair, and draw some lines on the sides to make this piece fit. So now the piece is exactly fit inside. Then we're gonna use scrap wood that we're gonna put inside. One side I have a stud already, then other side I just need a one piece to hold this drywall piece. So I put it on, and we're gonna use some drywall screw through the drywall board, ceiling board, and we will secure this wood piece. Then our drywall piece to this board. So now I let it dry for 24 hours and the time to sand it. So I will use a drywall sander. I will sand it. My whole ceiling is flat, so I don't need to make any texture, or I'm not worried about the matching the paint. But if you have a same situation inside your house, then you need to make a exactly same texture. You can buy a texture spray bottle from Home Depot, or either way you can make a texture matching. There's a lot of other video on YouTube how to make a texture. So in my case, I will just sand it out and leave it like that. So after sanding and everything, it look like this. So it is in my garage. I'm not worried about matching paint right now. I will do in the future. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.